Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to insert doors and windows in a project. First, click on the architecture tab and select door command. Now the door command is selected. Go to a wall where you have to insert the door. I'm choosing this wall to place the door. As doors are posted elements, it is important that we place it on the wall. Now if we drag a pointer a bit dark, the door will open in the opposite direction. And if we drag the pointer to the upside, it will be inverted. Now click on the wall to place the door. You can change the direction by clicking on the controls which are visible here. Now we will add the door for the inner walls of the master bedroom and the toilet portion given here. We will select the different types of door available here. Here, we will select the 4-panel wood and click on the wall. Now I have applied the doors for all the walls in the project. Now if you click on the door, it is given that it is door interior sinks panel. Now if you want to change the type of the door, click on the door unit. Suppose I need 1-panel wood. Click on this. Then this door will be changed to a single panel. If you want to look into more designs of the doors, this is the preview of the door. Now if you want different types of the door, you can go to insert option here. Click on the load Autodesk family. Here in the browser, select the door option. Here you will get many varieties of doors. So if you want to load any type of the door, suppose we take it here, we'll select this door, click on the door and load. Now we have downloaded the family. Click on OK. Click on the architecture and doors. Here we will get the doors which we have added just now. In order to add window, repeat the same procedure. Go to architecture, then windows. Select the type of the window which we have already loaded. We'll show it again. Go to load family. Go to insert, load Autodesk family. Select Windows option. Here you will get many varieties of window designs. So if I want window case find, we'll select these for the rooms and load. After this, click on window, click on the wall to place window. I'll place it here, here, here. And for bedroom, I'll change the window tag. Here and here. Now, if we want to change the dimension of the door or a window, select the door and then click on edit type. Before changing the values here, create a duplicate. Then suppose width is 812. I want the width as 850. You can change it here. and then click on apply and OK. Now the dimension of the door has changed. You can change the level of the window by clicking the window in the 3D view. Go to 3D view. Select the window. Suppose you need to change the level of this window. Click on the window and in sill height, change the height. As you can see, the height of the window has changed. This way you can edit the doors and windows in a Revit project. Thank you.